Hello guys, in this video we want to show you how we can remove background of our webcam on OBS Studio and show our picture without background or blur our background. For run this purpose, we should install a plugin for OBS Studio. On description of this video, I I placed the link of that plugin. You can when you clicked on that link, you will see this page with OBS background removal. You can download this plugin from here, releases, or you can uh, see this on README and download and install and click on this link. When you clicked on this link, you see this page, and with your OS type, for example, if you have Windows or Mac or Ubuntu or other Linux, you can click on the OS on your OS. Which, for example, we have Windows, and click on Windows, and this on this page, you see help for install this plugin. For install OBS background removal on Windows, you should first download the plugin. When you download this plugin, after download that, extract the zip file and copy the files from that folder to the OBS directory where your OBS installed. For example, the common installation location for OBS Studio is C program files OBS Studio. Copy that zip files on here. If you open before OBS Studio, close that and restart the OBS Studio and open it again. When you open the OBS Studio, you should first add your webcam. On sources section, you should click you should right click on that on sources and add source, and click on video capture device. Like that, rename that, for example, my webcam or other name that you like, and click OK. And then you should see your picture. If you can't see your picture like this, come down and on resolution section, select on custom and select resolution, for example this, and you will see your picture. Okay, we want to remove this background and remove this wall picture or blur this wall. For this purpose, add this webcam and then click on that webcam and click on filters. You should see this picture, and on effect filters section, click right and then add, and then you should see background removal. If you click on background removal and select a name for that and then OK, you should see this black background. This is not black background, this removes your background. If you want to blur this blur your background, you should move this here, blur your background. And if you want to do more setting, you should click on advanced setting, and then when you move these arrows here, you should see the changes online. Then after your edits, you can close this and you will see your pictures without any background, and you can move your pictures everywhere that you want. If you like this learning, please like, subscribe, and comment. Uh, if you want to learn another education, comment below for me. Thanks for your watching. Like and subscribe.